In 1997, researchers listening to underwater microphones picked up a sound, a deep, echoing bloop, louder than a blue whale, and unlike anything ever recorded. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration confirmed it wasn't man-made, it wasn't volcanic, it wasn't ice. The origin point? Somewhere in the South Pacific, near the coordinates Lovecraft once used for the sunken city of eerily. Some say it was just shifting ice. Others believe something ancient stirred. What's most unsettling is this: the sound stopped, but the ocean never went quiet.